This song's about getting in the fucking fire! Jump in the fire!
Hi guys, back again with another unboxing of the Jump in the Fire shape knob. This time it's the yellow color. Only on 100 of these were made, and each one is signed by one band member of Metallica. We'll see today which one will I get. The price of them was $100 pretty much, plus shipping. And I didn't get a second box. That would have meant that I want Jump in the Fire black light shift knob. Those are very rare. Here's the shift knob. I'm gonna put it away. Well, actually, I'm gonna put the box away and unbox this baby. Haven't looked at the signature, so hopefully problems with the okay. I don't want to look at the signature yet. And I'll be careful here. Last time I unboxed another of these, but that wasn't mine. This one is actually mine. I already shipped the other one to my friend, so I don't have it so I can put one next to each other. But I have another knob so I can kind of compare the size of it and all that. Like I said, only 100 of these were made. This is the 4 in the series. This one's the yellow color. The first one was the red, then the blue, then the chart, then this one. And this one is signed by James Hetfield, baby. How do you like that? Beautiful signature. Right there. Awesome. The detail on this one is pretty good. I really like it more than the chart. More shiny. You can see lots more of shades and stuff. And it's just nice. And the fact that the signature is not in silver, it's black, is really nice. Let me pull out this rub shift knob here. And this one's pretty big. I like that. Pretty bulky. Nice, feels good in the hands. And just perfect for this kind of case. It's just like right on. So thank you for watching. This was the unboxing of the Jump in the Fire shape knob, the yellow one. Thank you for watching.